Hi, I'm Tom D, and in this video I want to show you how to join two different datasets using LibreOffice and popular function vlookup. As you can see on the screen, LibreOffice looks very similar to Microsoft Office, but in this case you don't need to pay the subscription costs. So that's the benefit. Let's figure out how to perform that action in this worksheet. First, I'm going to create a simple dataset that I will provide here as a name and ID. So you have a names 1, 2, 1, 3, for example. This is the first dataset. You can assign the color to it, for example, light green. The third column that will be empty for now, and I will get the data from the second dataset for that column, surname. Now the second dataset with surname and ID. So the 1, 2, 3. So the first will be Obama, second Trump, and the third one will be Putin. You can create two different datasets, and you can join the first one to the second one and get the data, in this case about surname. Click on the function wizard over here. Look for vlookup. Click on next. Now specify the second dataset in the form of array. You need to select the whole dataset, so all columns and rows. As a search criterion, choose ID from the first dataset. As an index, you need to provide column number. In this case, it's a number 2 because you want to get the surname from the second dataset. So this index is related to array, which value you want to return. If you will provide the number 1, it will get the ID. So you have two same IDs. So for example, if I provide 1, as you can see, it gets the ID and the result will be 2. So you will have 2 next to 2, and 1 next to 1, and 3 next to 3. And this is not what you want to get. You want to get the surname. So therefore, provide the number 2. As you can see in the preview, already it's providing you the right join. So click on OK. And the first row is filled with the right value. Now you can click on this small square in the right bottom corner, drag it to the bottom of the dataset, and all the data is filled automatically. In this way, you joined two different datasets and getting the value for surname column. So you have all the data here enriched with the additional dataset. In this case, you can join the tables and enrich your data using the famous function called vlookup in completely free open source LibreOffice. Have a nice coding. Bye.